Ready? Here we go. Yay! And Eugene's happy about it.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, even Eugene's clapping.
Okay, you ready? Here, come on over here. Annabelle. Here we go. Come here. Come here. Hi.
She just sort of likes to throw herself at mom and then whack to.
Ready? Let's go see Grandpa.
Yeah, no, let's go.
Oh, wait a minute. Grandpa's busy. Ready? Here, you encourage her, Eugene.
Come on over. That's it. Yeah.
Yay! Ready? Here we go. Yay!
Clap, Eugene! Clap, clap, clap! Yay!
That'll be a good one.
Yeah.
Ready? Back to Grandpa.
That's my girl.
Those so good at things.
Yep. Okay.
Here you go.
Eugene!
Gotta walk past him. Here we are. Ready? Yay!
We never got to do this with Eugene.
No, because
No, he just stood up one day and walked. And we were done.
we were done. She's having too much fun.
I can walk.
Yeah, pretty much that's how it was. He just woke